Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening a demat and trading account with an Indian broker that supports Reliance Industries on NSE/BSE. Complete KYC now, PAN, Aadhaar, and bank proof, and enable two-factor authentication for safety. Once done, link your bank and transfer cash to the trading ledger using UPI or NEFT. Make sure to set available margin for intraday or margin trading. Check brokerage plans and order types, so you pick the cheapest route for your intended holding period and risk profile. You now decide whether to buy for delivery, CNC, or trade intraday miss and enter the correct product type. Place a limit order for controlled entry, add a stop loss immediately to cap downside and an initial target to lock rewards. Use indicators, RSI for momentum, MACD for trend confirmation, so your entries align with broader market action. Once placed, watch the order book, adjust for partial fills, and ensure margins aren't breached. Make sure to square off MIS positions before market close. You finalize the trade by exiting at your target or trailing stop. Consider booking profits in portions to preserve gains while leaving a runner. After market close, reconcile trades, check brokerage charges and applicable taxes, and update your trading journal with rationale and outcomes to improve next time. If an order fails or is rejected, first verify available margin and product restrictions. Then check for exchange-imposed flags or broker connectivity issues. Contact support only after you've confirmed these basics to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.